All right, let's look at this example 212 here. A particle moves along the y-axis with its velocity given by this function shown here. Describe its motion and find the net distance and total distance traveled between t equals 0 and t equals 11. All right, so to do the net distance, actually before we do that, let's look at this part where it says describe its motion. Now this tells the velocity of the particle. So as long as the velocity is positive, say here and here, during those times, the particle's moving upward. Down here, the velocity is negative, so during that time, the particle's moving downward on the axis. So let's write that out a little bit. Describe the motion. All I really want to say about that is it moves upward from t equals 0 to t equal 1, and also after t equal 5. I think that's right. This is at 1, then let's see, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. And 11 is right here. So it moves upward from t equals 0 to t equal 1, and it moves downward from t equal 1 to t equal 5. All right, so let's find the net distance, or the net change in position, whichever you want to call it. Now that's always the easier one to calculate because you just take the integral from, in this case, from 0 to 11 of v of t dt, and you compute it. Now we've done this in the previous examples by taking the antiderivative, but on this one we're not given the function, we're just given a graph of the thing. So we're going to have to interpret this integral in terms of area. So we've got three different areas to consider. I'm going to call this area 1, area 2, and area 3. So this is supposed to be A1 minus A2 plus A3. Now why minus A2? Because I'm counting that area, the area of the triangle there is positive, but it's going to contribute negatively toward the integral because it's below the axis. So let's add these up. Actually, before we do that, over here to the side, A1 is going to be 1, because it's 1/2 times 1 times 2. Area 2, sometimes when people see a triangle like this, they want to split it into two right triangles and find the areas of both, but you don't have to do that. The area of a triangle is just 1/2 base times height. The base of this thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the height is 2. So the area is going to be 1/2 2 times 4, or just 4. So A2 is 4. And the area of this last one, let's see, 1, 2, let's see, try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 by 4 by 1/2 is 12. All right, so the net distance is going to be 1 minus 4 plus 12. So that's 12, 8, 9. But the total distance traveled is going to be 1 plus 4 plus 12. So that's 12, 13, 17. Like that. Sorry, I just realized that's off the screen. All right, and that's it for this example.